You are going to love the 2018 Pacifica. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, power moonroof, 4-wheel disc brakes, ventilated front seats. Inside you'll find heated steering wheel, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, driver vanity mirror, panic alarm, passenger vanity mirror, power driver seat. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.